Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another guest with me, Whitney Kobosh, who is also my sister, but she is a NuSkin expert and currently Blue Diamond with the company, and she knows all about the Lumispa. She's had amazing results from using it consistently for the last year and a half. So she is going to show us a little bit about, or teach us a little bit about the benefits of the Lumispa. So to start off with, can you tell me your number one favorite thing about the Lumispa?
So my number one favorite thing, my personal number one favorite thing about the Lumispa is that it only takes 2 minutes a day. That is my favorite thing because we are all busy and nobody has time to spend 10 or 15 minutes every single night washing and cleansing their face, which is why the Lumispa was just named the #1 at-home cleansing device in the world for the 4th year in a row. So we are super proud of that, and that just goes to show that everyone is loving being able to get a little at-home mini facial from the comfort of their house. So
the 2 minutes is probably the only reason I use this.
yes, consistently.
Yes.
That's definitely the key word. So
okay, so she's going to show me how to use this. Show you guys how to use this. It's super simple.
So first you're going to wet the Lumispa and your face. So this is some moisture mist. And I just use it. It gives a little bit of extra moisture to your face as you are cleansing. And and then you're going to I put a little bit of the cleanser on the middle of your Lumispa. Spread it around to get it even all over your face. Spread the cleanser around, and then you can start it up. There you go. And you're gonna do 30 seconds on each quadrant of your face. So 30 seconds, 30 seconds, 30 seconds on your forehead, and then 30 seconds on your T-zone. And it's actually going to tell you when to switch to the next spot on your face. So the great thing about the Lumispa is that it is not an exfoliating device. It is a cleansing device. So it is pulling and pumping all of the dirt, oils, everything out of your skin. So that little noise just told her to go to the next part of her face. It's pulling all of that out of your pores and out of your skin, which is why you have such great results with it. And while it's doing that, it's not damaging your skin. The head is made of medical grade silicone, and it is embedded with antimicrobial silver. So this is not going to harbor bacteria. It washes off with plain water, and you store it. Told her to change again. So she's already 1 minute. She's already halfway through. Halfway done. So it's not going to harbor any bacteria. A bristle brush, that is making little micro tears in your skin, and then the bacteria that's stored in the head gets back into your skin the next time you wash it. The Lumispa does not do that. These heads pop off just like that. This is a firm head. We also have a gentle if you have acne-prone skin. Look, she's almost done, 30 seconds left. And then we also have, this is the normal. All Lumispas come with a normal head. I tend to use the firm. It's for dull skin. And then normal is good for everyone. So this is an anti-aging device. And actually when she gets done, I'm going to show you a little bit how the head works and what exactly it does, why it's anti-aging. So this movement that it is doing, it just finished, is actually increasing collagen production in your skin as it's cleansing. And you can see when I start this, the head goes in opposite directions. And that movement is what is not only cleansing your skin gently, but it is also helping produce collagen, which is going to reduce fine lines and wrinkles.
And it removes all the gunk from your face. So I did have makeup on and I did not remove it before this, although you should. But you can see all the stuff that it picked up in that like 2 minutes.
Yeah. So the head just pops right off, and she's gonna wash it, and then it's gonna be clean and good to go. We actually have 5 different cleansers because everyone's skin, like I said, we have 3 different heads. We have 5 different cleansers: acne, dry, oily, sensitive, and normal combo. So you can change those cleansers up as your skin changes with the seasons, or use the same one all the time. And it is also waterproof. This entire device is waterproof. You can drop it in the bathtub, you can use it in the shower, or you can use it at your sink.
So for busy moms like you, the shower is perfect.
Yeah.
I love it also because it's super easy to travel with. So it does have a little base that it actually charges in, but a lot of times, especially if I'm only going on a trip for like, say, a month at a time, I won't even take this. I'll just take my Lumispa and it stays charged the entire time. So I don't actually know the length of time, but a month seems to be like a good sweet spot.
Yeah, it's about 3 to 4 months. And whenever it gets low, so my battery is about half charged right now, and when it gets low, it'll go all the way down and it will turn yellow. So it'll tell you when you need to charge it. You don't have to keep it plugged in all the time. But I do keep mine on the base too, just as a stand, just to keep it safe. So,
and it's like you just saw, it's super easy to use. You can use it sitting on the couch, watching TV, in the shower, like we said, or as part of your daily routine. So how often do you actually use yours?
I use it every single day, sometimes twice a day. So it just kind of depends on my day.
Yeah. It's a nice massage, and so it is nice. Like she said, it's not exfoliating, it's not creating tears in your skin, and so it's just a nice, like, relaxing 2 minute massage. That's it.
Right.
That's all it takes.
Yes, it's only going to remove the dead skin cells off of your face. It will not remove any live skin cells, which is why we say it's not an exfoliating device.
So thanks so much, you guys, for checking out this video. If you have any questions about the Lumispa, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll leave some links down below where you can get a discount on all of the products that we talked about today. But we, in our family, everyone in our family loves their Lumispa. It's a great gift. It's also a great gift to yourself. So thanks for hanging out with us, and I will see you next week.